The Fresque workshop was very interesting. Especially I discovered a lot of details in the cause and effect of climate change. I thought I knew a lot about climate change, but in fact I discovered that there's many things I didn't know. For example, the acidification of the ocean, I thought was really interesting, that was an effect of saturation of CO2, which in turn was caused by the inability of other, like the atmosphere to absorb CO2. And then et cetera, all these different cause and effect chains that go on and on and on. Until the end, which could be a little bit depressing because it's kind of like the end of the world, where does this go? But I think it makes us take a step back and change, okay, if we know and we're able to analyze why this is happening, then maybe we can actually do something concrete to make a change. And that's why we called our fresque Be a Force for the Change, or something like that.